Running bash script from within Python. I have a problem with the following code. Call bash.py. Sleep.sh. I want the end to be printed after 10 seconds. I know that this is a dumb example. I could simply sleep within Python, but this simple sleep.sh file was just as a test.
Make sure that sleep.sh has execution permissions and run it with shell is equal to true.
Actually, you just have to add the shell equals true argument. But beware! Warning: invoking the system shell with shell equals true can be a security hazard if combined with untrusted input. See the warning under frequently used arguments for details. Source:
Making sleep.sh executable and adding shell equals true to the parameter list, as suggested in previous answers, works okay. Depending on the search path, you may also need to add // or some other appropriate path. i.e., change sleep.sh to /sleep.sh. The shell equals true parameter is not needed under a POSIX system like Linux if the first line of the bash script is a path to a shell, for example, #bin/bash.
If sleep.sh has the shebang hashtag /bin/sh and it has appropriate file permissions, run chmod u plus rx sleep.sh to make sure, and it is in $path, then your code should work as is. If the script is not in the path, then specify the full path to it, e.g., if it is in the current working directory. If the script has no shebang, then you need to specify shell equals true. If the script has no executable permissions and you can't change it, e.g., by running os.chmod sleep.sh 00755, then you could read the script as a text file and pass the string to subprocess module instead.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.